everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a Q&A for you guys because I've never done any of this before and because we just reached 1 million subscribers on my YouTube channel. Look at what I received in the mail. Thank you very much for your amazing support and all the kind comments under my videos. I really appreciate it. Let's try and put this in the bank. So I posted on my YouTube community tab asking you guys what you want to know about me or if you have any questions for me. And there were so many questions. I try my best to answer most of them. So here's the first question. How long have you been cosplaying? I started cosplaying in 2014. And what got you into cosplay? When I watched the anime Fate's Day Night, I immediately fell in love with Saber and her beautiful blue dress. Then I heard about cosplay and I remember I thought, this is so cool. For a short time you can be your favorite character from an anime. So I ordered my first cosplay dress, made my first cosplay prop, in this case the big sword Excalibur, and went to a convention as Saber from Fate's Day Night. So Saber is actually the reason why I started cosplaying. What do you enjoy the most about cosplaying? Definitely that I can share my passion with other people and I can slip into different roles. Which anime character you cosplayed as cost the most? This cosplay. I guess it was like $700 including shipping cost. I was so happy that this was a collaboration with the mobile game on my OG, so this cosplay was sponsored. This was also the most uncomfortable cosplay I've ever worn because everything was so heavy, especially the wig and the tails. I think the wig weighed about 4 pounds and the tails about 11 or something like that. It was really heavy. Do you ever do a cosplay character outside your comfort zone or that you feel you may not fit well? Oh yes, I had this feeling with my Bakugo cosplay. This cosplay was so challenging for me, not only because he's a boy, but because our personality is the total opposite. But I had so much fun trying to be a lonely, prideful and aggressive, cute little boy. Can you show us a photo of your everyday makeup out of cosplay and without a wig? Yes, the first picture on my Instagram page is an out of cosplay photo with my everyday makeup and also without a wig. What's your favorite anime? Actually, I don't have only one favorite anime because every season has so many great animes. But my 3 favorite new animes from the last year are Demon Slayer, The Promised Neverland and My Hero Academia. Who is your favorite character? To be honest, there has never been a character from an anime that I have thought as often as Light Yagami from Death Note. All his decisions were so understandable and authentic. I really like how the character was written. If you haven't watched Death Note yet, I highly recommend it. What tools do you use to edit your photos and videos? I love your work and cosplay. Thank you very much. Maybe not every one of you knows, but I do everything by myself. Not only my videos, but also my photos. For my photos I use Adobe Photoshop and for my videos I use Vegas Pro 17. If you are interested in how I do my photos and how I edit my videos, let me know and give this video a thumbs up. When did you start making this channel? I started this channel in 2014, but I started doing makeup tutorials in 2016. Your top 3 favorite cosplays, please. My favorite cosplays are Aerith from Final Fantasy VII Remake, Kirari from Kagegururi, and Rise Kamishiro from Tokyo Ghoul. How do you feel to know that you inspire so many people to cosplay with your videos? Like how you inspired me, love you and thank you. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you very much for your kind words. It's awesome. It's awesome to have so many creative and amazing people in this community, and it makes me very happy that I can inspire people to cosplay and I can help the cosplay community become bigger. Which character from Demon Slayer you like the most? Oh, that's a really hard question. I just finished reading the manga and there are so many great characters. I don't want to spoil or something, but it's actually pretty hard to pick a favorite character because most of them don't have so much screen time, which is pretty sad. But I really like the upper moons, especially Darky from chapter 62, and I love Muzan. Muzan is pretty cool. Do you watch all of the anime's games you cosplay from? Yes. For me, cosplay is only fun if I know the character's personality. So, as you can see, I have watched a lot of anime. Do you have a brother or a sister? I don't have a brother or a sister, but I wish I had a little sister. What was the most hardest cosplay you've ever made? 2 cosplays were really hard, but if I have to decide, this red dress, where I thought it would be a good idea to put very small crystals by hand on the dress, which took me hours of work. I posted a making of on my Patreon. Here you can see the finished dress. The character is Shinatsu from Welcome to the Ballroom, and I really like this character, so I'm glad I did it, and in the end the dress came out pretty well, so it was worth it. The hardest wig I've made is the wig for Celestia Ludenberg from Danganronpa. I posted a tutorial for this wig on my Patreon too. Drop your skincare routine, please. I have been asked this question quite often, so now I will tell you which products I use every day. I will keep this very short, but don't worry, you can find all the steps and products I use in the video description below as always. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I have a skincare routine for the day and for the night, but now I will only talk about the steps I do in the morning. The steps for the night can be found in the video description. So first I clean my face with a cleansing foam. This one is perfect for normal skin. After that I'm using a green tea toner and a high content essence to help repair damaged skin, which goes pretty well with other products and under makeup. For moisturizing, I'm using the Benton Cacao Moist and Mild Cream, and the last step, of course, is sunscreen. I really recommend the Purito Centella Green Level Safe Sun. This sunscreen is rated SPF 50, so you're getting a very good protection. Besides, I try to touch my face as little as possible during the day. I use a face towel and I don't use any foundation or powder on a daily basis. Who is your favorite character to cosplay? Actually, I don't have only one favorite character to cosplay, but I like to cosplay villains more because I often find them more interesting, I guess. And maybe there will be a makeup tutorial for a villain from My Hero Academia with spiky black hair in the future. So stay tuned. That's pretty much it. Thank you very much for all of your questions and for being such an amazing community. I hope you have a nice day and see you in my next video. Bye bye!